Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study CompTIA A+ using an easy method. First, thoroughly review the official CompTIA A+ exam objectives for both Core 1 and Core 2. This ensures you cover all necessary topics. Next, choose a comprehensive primary study resource, like a well-regarded textbook or an online video course, to build your foundational knowledge. Finally, create a realistic study schedule and stick to it consistently. Active learning is crucial for retention. As you study, take detailed notes and create flashcards for key terms and processes. This active recall helps solidify information. Next, engage in hands-on labs whenever possible. Practical application reinforces what you learn from books. Finally, regularly take practice exams to assess your understanding and identify specific areas where you need to focus more attention. As your exam approaches, dedicate significant time to reviewing all topics, paying extra attention to areas you find challenging. Simulate the actual exam environment by taking full-length practice tests under timed conditions. This helps build endurance and manage time effectively. Remember to prioritize getting enough rest and managing any stress in the days leading up to your CompTIA A+ certification exam. For additional support, consider joining online study groups to discuss concepts and share insights with peers. If you encounter particularly difficult topics, don't hesitate to explore supplemental resources like different video series or articles. Remember, consistent effort and smart study habits are key to success. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.